Okay, so let's look at extensions. So extensions actually are the initials that are attached to the latter parts of a file to define its type and make it recognizable by the computer. So for images, we have something like .png or .jpg at the latter part of the file name that defines it as an image. So for web document, also the same, and it's coming with the extension of .html. So let's use a simple notepad to try this out. So this is just a showcase. This is not the actual structure of HTML. So HTML, find HTML, and we put in some text here, and we try to save it. Okay, so we give it a name of index and an extension of .html, and we choose all files. Okay, so when we go to our folder or the document, we see that we're having the index.html and it's showing that we can open it with a browser. So if we open this, what we're going to see. So this is just it. We have the HTML tag here. Within it, we have a test of test, and it's running correctly because we use the extension of .html, which is defining this as a web page.